to stop kung fu fighting in your sleep.
Ugh, I think I was dancing.
That was like no dancing I've ever seen, and I've watched a lot of dance videos.
Oh, Snowy, what am I going to do? I thought I could dance, but I can't control my body anymore. I can't even move without blushing or falling over. Or both.
Girl, you need help, and I am the dance bunny you need.
You'll help me? Thanks.
Thanks. Princess, you're going to need to make a higher offer than thanks.
How about I'll let you use my conditioner and detangle a comb for your tail, and I'll dig you a carrot patch in the garden for unlimited carrot.
Throw in your strawberry sparkly shine toothpaste and we have a deal.
Fine, but can you help?
Training starts first thing in the morning. Now, back to bed. You need your boogie sleep. Leave that yawn at the door. I need your body and mind in the room.
Sorry, Snowy.
Sorry, coach. Right, let's try this routine to build your confidence. Everyone knows this one. It went viral last summer.
Huh?
Personal dance space. Again.
Ooh, I love this dance.
I give up. I can't dance.
Stella, this is gonna be mean, hard work. Every single day after school. Late nights, total commitments, and sweat. Lots of sweat.
What happened to a good night's sleep?
Girl, do you want to rest or do you want to slay?
Slay, I guess?
Correct. Now, let's get to work.
Come on, what? No. Come on, what? No. Come on, what? No. What? Come on, no.
Yeah.
Again.
What?
Come on. Again.
What?
And then you can fluff up my powder puff.
Hey, what? Hey, what?
Stella, concentrate! This is the big finale move. Remember what Mrs. Winterbottom said. Tell the story with your body. Great storytelling, Stella. Was it the story of the runaway train or Humpty Dumpty?
Never mind, Stella. Let's call it a day.
Let's call it a disaster.